To understand the entire video, you must understand the first slide. The order of the genetic network is Arya, Cersei, Jon, Jorah, Queen of Dragons / Khaleesi, and the dragon. You can also view the bottom of the slide to interpret the network as well. The presence of the repressor's sword inhibits the actions of the gene / character that comes after it. So Cersei's existence stops Jon's ability to inhibit Jorah. If no genes are missing, then a spiked dragon will be produced due to Jon's inability to inhibit Jorah, which stimulates the transcription of Khaleesi that allows the spiked dragon to be produced. If Cersei is absent, then Jon's actions would not be inhibited, and Jorah and Khaleesi would not be produced, as Jorah is needed to stimulate transcription of Khaleesi, resulting in the dragon to be made without spikes. However, if Jon is not present, then the dragon would have spikes since Jorah is able to stimulate transcription of Khaleesi. The absence of Jon and Khaleesi will result in a non-spiked dragon since Khaleesi is unable to stimulate the spike gene. This is the same case if Arya and Khaleesi were absent, the dragon would still be spikeless because Khaleesi is not present to stimulate that spike gene. To fully understand this regulation, we must have a closer look at the DNA. The inhibitor repressor protein is present in certain genes like Jon and Cersei. When the repressor is made, it binds to the LAC-O operon, preventing transcription from continuing and structural genes from creating the desired product. When genes have activators and or promote transcription by acting as an inducer like Arya and Khaleesi, they result in the continuation of transcription and the structural gene. Though the presence of an activator is not necessary for transcription to continue, it is necessary for repressors to not be present to allow for transcription to continue, producing the desired product. Overall, the moral of the story is without Queen of Dragons, there would be no spikes on the dragon.